What's up, YouTube? It's Andrew here at the Modern Jalopy Garage. Today we're going to be cleaning up his table a little bit more. I did some first video on the Vise here. Did a little cleanup on it. You know, just mainly trying to get used to like angles, filming, stuff like that. But yep, I'm gonna make a video on that. Give y'all an update on the truck because everybody's kind of upset that I didn't include that in the first video. So I will definitely get on that. I do have the bed done. And it's also really windy, so you get to listen to this shop beat around on itself all day long. But I think the first thing we need to do is I'll try to, I don't want to use a selfie stick, but I guess I'm gonna make one. That way it feels a little bit more manly when I hold it. So that'll be the first thing we're gonna do. So let's get at it. Alright, so got it made. It's a work of art here. It's just a piece of square tubing, drilled some holes in it, ran some zip ties through it, put me a sweet Sawzall blade on there, and I got these little clamps that's actually gonna hold my phone still, keep it from sliding off. Well, we're gonna try it, see what happens. All right. Woo. If y'all could only see this. All right. All right. It is done. So, it looks a lot, it's hilarious from this angle. I'll just let you know. I took these clips right here, and I have 4 of them across the bottom and 1 of them on the top holding the phone on. I wish you could see it. If I can figure out a way to show it to you, I will definitely do that, but I don't have a mirror or anything, so. Anyways, F100, 76 F100, rust-free truck, bought it at a junkyard. The chassis that it's sitting on is a 98, I believe, town car. I took and removed it with the hoist up here. It's a 6-ton hoist. It's from like 1903 or something. I don't know. It's really old and really, really strong. It's a Yale. But anyways, it was a long bed truck. I sectioned it and cut 14 inches out of the bed here. So you can see where I cut right there. But yeah, it's coming along right now. I'm messing with wiring, so nothing that fun, I will assure you. My shop still doesn't have power. I have lights, but anyways, I can't use like my welder or any of this, you know, great stuff. I've been just running an extension cord down here from my house. So I'll be glad when I can be able to actually use my welder. So no welding videos for right now, unless I go up to my friend's house and do it. But anyways, we're gonna start getting this table cleaned up so we can, in fact, do some more work on other things other than this table. All right, table, got the top shined up pretty good. Still needs a lot of work done to it. All the sides on the inside, the corners, all that kind of stuff. That's all got to be touched up still. And the legs. Got a pretty good bit more work I need to do to it, but I probably won't bore y'all with that anymore because it's pretty boring just watching time-lapse videos of a grinder going off. But anyways, I'll probably start doing some videos on the F100 here. You know, I got to cut the bed out, get it, I guess, kind of channeled for the chassis to come up through it. Put a cap on that, mount the fuel cell, fuel pump, all that stuff, wiring. Yeah, and then put the front clip on it. I gotta weld in this subframe right here. It's laying on the back bumper. And then, who knows, maybe I'll be able to drive it at that point. I'll be super excited about that, because I can't wait to see this thing. I think it's gonna look really good, sitting down low like it should be. But anyways, I guess that's all I got for you this week. Remember, like or subscribe. Like to have subscribers. I don't have many right now, so it feels a lot better to talk to someone than no one. So, till next time, it's Andrew, Modern Jalopy Garage.